Hey guys, it's Ian with Optimize. I'm going to be walking you through how to create a Google Tag Manager completely from scratch today. And then the rest of the series is going to be how to install various free marketing software on that Google Tag Manager that will be placed on your website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, if you want to get to this spot, this Google Tag Manager, .google.com URL, just be sure to check the link in the description. That will take you here. It's going to ask you to create a Google Tag Manager if you haven't already. But once you're at this spot, then you will be able to create an account. Now, as you can see, I have a ton of other accounts in here, but that's just because I have a lot of clients that I've done this for. But if you're starting out new, then we're going to be using a completely new Tag Manager account. So I'm just going to label this company test just because this is a test. And it doesn't matter if you share data anonymously with Google or not. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the Optimize website so that we can set this up. You have to put in a URL in here, otherwise you will not be able to set the container up. So click Web, and we will click Create. And at this point, all you have to do is click Yes. And as you can see, now all we need to do is install the Google Tag Manager on our website. It says to paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So if we were to do this, let's just pretend that you have a Webflow website. It's different for other websites, but you could simply search on Google how to install script on my Wix or Squarespace or WordPress or Framer website. So we're going to grab this head, and we're going to go into our sites, and then we are going to go into settings, and we are going to go to custom code. And as you can see, we already have a Google Tag Manager installed, but if we didn't, we would place this in our head code. As you can see, this is the head, and we would place that up here. And for all intents and purposes, once we do that, we would just select publish, and this code would be ready to go. So that is how you install Google Tag Manager on your website, specifically on Webflow, but this could be done on any website in 2024. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments. Thank you so much.